Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to share a story of incredible strength, hope, and pain. This is a story about people living in the war zone in Ukraine. They have lost everything they had and are left with only their children in their arms. Their homes are destroyed, their families are devastated, and their future is at risk. Imagine this: explosions thunder outside their windows, bullets whistle overhead, and children tremble in fear. Many of them have never known a world without war. Their hope for a brighter future diminishes with each passing day. But today, we can bring them hope. We can change their lives for the better. I appeal to each and every one of you who hears my voice. Our brothers and sisters in Ukraine need our help. They need more than just sympathetic words. They need material support to have a chance at rebuilding their lives and experiencing joy and peace once again. That is why I'm reaching out to you, asking for financial assistance. Every small amount you can donate will make a significant difference in their lives. The donation link can be found in the description below this video. Your generosity can be the light that breaks through the darkness in their hearts. I promise you that every penny, every cent we receive in donations will be used to purchase humanitarian goods and provide aid to those in need. We will provide a detailed report on every step we take on this channel. You will see how your kindness is transforming people's lives.